Hello guys, good morning. Let's take a look. For today we don't have anything important, so let's get back to the charts. Euro USD. Euro USD, it's a little bit tough. So we made a new low, a new high. Price should have played on this order block. We made a new high right here. It's holding on this zone here, but we have to see if I am to take sells this week. We have a sweep here, we have a break to the downside. This is our supply zone. We also have imbalance below, so if the price comes on this zone, I will be looking to take sells with confirmations. This is it for the Euro USD. USD CAD, I was watching USD CAD, price is super bullish. We had a setup that we mostly use, but I noticed that I'm not on this trade. I noticed that we have a demand here and price hold it at this demand. So if we were to break this demand, I would take sells here. So at the moment I'm not in sells. This is our setup, but here we have a demand zone right here. So it's a little bit tough. On Australian dollar USD, let's take a look. So we kind of have a sweep Friday, I think, yes, and then a break to the downside. Price came, tapped to the zone, made a liquidity sweep here, made a change of character here, and tapped on this supply zone. And what happened? I didn't take this trade. I wanted to target this low, and price failed. Swept Asian lows, but didn't take this. And I think that today on Australian USD will sweep this low. So I don't see anything on Australian USD today. Pound USD made this as lower low, lower high, lower low. We have failed to break this low at the moment. On gold, if you watch on the 4-hour time frame, gold have made a liquidity sweep here, have made a break of structure to the downside. We have clean imbalance here. On gold on the 4-hour time frame, I will be waiting for confirmations entry. So I want a top on the 5-minute, make a new high, sweep this liquidity, change character and take sells to the downside. If you see on the 4-hour time frame on Nasdaq, we have made a sweep here, we have made a change of character, price came on this 4-hour order block and on this 4-hour order block or supply, and it's going down. So at the moment where we can take sells is we have a demand zone here, you have imbalance here also, and then we also have on daily a demand zone. Something like that. So here also confirmations entry, also imbalance here, breaks to the upside. So we have to watch, we have to wait and see how we will react. Same thing is for this zone below. So on US 30, same thing, we don't have anything yet. We have also only imbalance, so we have to wait for the price. We have a sweep here. We have a change. We have a break of structure to the upside. So if our analysis will only be based on the higher time frame, we have to wait. Otherwise, we have to see. I'm currently super bearish on both NAS and US 30, so we have to wait on the New York Stock Exchange open if we can make a sweep, a move to the downside and take some sells. So wait for New York Stock Exchange open. So again, Euro USD, we have this low here, we have to see. We have to see if this was all liquidity down here, but it's a bit difficult. This is this is a better setup to take sells on this zone right here. So Euro USD, we have sells with confirmations here. On gold, we have sells with confirmations. On pound USD, we can have on pound USD, same thing, sweep, break of structure, liquidity, here. We have a supply zone right here. We also have imbalance that has to get filled. So GU have same setup. Australian dollar, USD. Basically, these pairs have the same setups. As you can see, consolidation, manipulation, extension, and then we have to wait for retracement. Same thing on this one. Again, USD cut is super super bullish. I can expect some buys with confirmations here. Sweep, break of structure, clean imbalance that has to get filled. So this is my view for this week, and we only have to wait.